This is a Sicilian cannolo. Oh yes, Sicilian cannoli, homemade. And today Andrea from Brunetti Classico here in Melbourne is going to show us how a Sicilian cannolo is made. Yeah?
Yes.
Thank you, Andrea. Show us. We are Brunetti Classico on Lygon Street, Carlton, and this is an institution. For me, this is the best pastry shop on the planet. You can find all the beautiful sweet creations from Italy, savory, happiness.
Pizza,
people
pasta.
are wonderful. So come and visit, because once you come in, you're gonna become addicted. To make the Sicilian cannoli at home, we need 300 grams of plain flour, 300 grams of baker or bread flour, 60 grams of sugar, 60 grams of vegetable shortening, 100 ml of white wine, 100 ml of marsala. If you can't find marsala, you can use red wine. 50 ml of red wine vinegar, 3 grams of salt, 3 grams of honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 egg yolks, and for the cannoli filling, 500 grams of fresh, beautiful fresh ricotta, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 50 grams of white sugar. And then you can decorate the cannoli as you like. Today we chose pistachio and dark chocolate. To make cannoli, you do need a cannoli tube. You can buy the stainless steel one, or you can buy the timber one, the wooden one, which is not easy to find unless you're in Sicily. And a cookie cutter. You can use this oval shape or round shape, up to you. Come on, Andrea, show us how to make the cannoli dough, please.
Okay, we start with 600 grams of flour. Okay, we put a little bit of vegetable shortening.
You can find vegetable shortening. You can use butter or lard. I like to use lard in my cooking, but not everybody likes it.
Cinnamon, vanilla essence, honey,
It looks like a beautiful honey.
sugar, and salt.
So you don't mix everything, like you
No,
just mix a
just
little
a little bit
bit.
for incorporate all powder.
Okay. So now we need to put the egg whites in the mix.
Egg yolk.
Egg, sorry.
Egg yolk in the mix.
Keep the egg whites because we need them after when we make the cannoli shells. So we're gonna use the egg whites
Or close the
to
cannoli.
close the cannoli. Yeah. So now you mix everything. You put the egg,
Yes.
egg yolks.
You put the egg yolks,
Now you
incorporate the marsala.
masala. So the wet go all at once, all together.
Yes. White
It's interesting
wine.
how bakers like to put everything dry first and then wet. When the pizza chef starts from the wet, so interesting.
And red white vinaigrette.
Nice.
Now start the funny part, mixing.
This is where you get your hands dirty.
Dirty,
You
yes.
really need to feel
Just
the
massage.
flour now, yeah. So what kind of consistency we want now? Do we want
Just they can stretch like elastic.
yeah?
It's good, but we still keep mix.
You can also do this with a KitchenAid, which is probably
Yes.
easier if you have a stand mixer. I think it's more romantic if you use your hands.
Yes.
And Andrea, it looks a little bit dry to me.
Yes, it's a look more dry.
Yes.
Just the 50 gram of any liquid like red wine or white wine.
White wine, okay. So I can put some wine in
Yes,
there?
a little.
Okay, just a little bit at a time?
Yes, a little bit at a time.
Yeah, it's getting better already. Yeah. Wow. The liquid is so important, the magic liquid. So the kneading part is a process. Okay?
Yes.
And of course, you can use a stand mixer if you like, but I do like to do this. Can I actually mix a little bit?
Yes,
Can I
of course.
see? I want to
Try
feel
to
it.
use.
Oh yeah, it feels nice. Yeah, it's definitely beautiful dough. And you know, when I do this, I release all my stress.
It's
I go,
anti-stress.
Yes. Look at this. You want this to be nice and smooth, eh, Andrea?
Yes.
Nice and smooth. What do we do now, Andrea?
We now just put the clear wrap, cover, and rest in the fridge for 2 hours.
So Andrea, after 2 hours,
Yeah, after 2 hours,
we get the dough out.
dough out, take it out the cling wrap.
Now that is the difficult part now.
Yes, now with
That's a big rolling pin.
yes,
Wow.
start to stretch.
How thick do you want this to be?
Just 1.5 millimeter.
Oh my God, wow.
So
Have fun stretching this.
yes,
Oh
we
my
need to
God.
have power it for stretch.
This is better than going to the gym.
Yes, free gym.
Free gym, make cannoli and...
That's why hit cannoli.
Andrea, can I do a little bit too?
Yes, of
Need to
course.
exercise. You can
Yes.
see I need to lose weight. My belly is big. How am I going?
Good, good.
Stretching. The best part is you don't need any flour.
No,
Wonder why. Normally when you do something like this, you don't need flour.
yes,
I guess the dough is not sticky.
no sticky. Yeah,
It's because we use lots of dry ingredients.
dry ingredients.
Tu non mi guardi, io non resisto e continuo a cadere giù. Tu non mi guardi, io non resisto e continuo a cadere giù.
So we have the dough ready. Now we just need to cut it. So here we have a large size cannoli cutter. You can make it smaller if you use your cookie cutter. But this is the fun part.
The fun part, yeah.
How do we do this?
We just
Go on top.
push.
And that's what you get. That's what you get. That's for a large cannoli.
For large cannoli, yes. Let's put
Next to each other. Or you actually put on top of each other.
yes.
Continuo a cadere giù. Tu non mi guardi, io non so respirare più. Quando ti guardo,
You want to try?
I can try some, yeah.
ci sei solo
Try to follow this.
Yes.
bella come il sole nel cielo. Ti porterai via con me. Sei bella come il sole nel cielo. Ti guardo.
So now we have the egg white here.
Yes.
That we're going to use that for
For close the cannoli.
the cannoli.
Mix the egg white.
Yeah.
So we can
Some there.
the
Oh, generous amount of
general
egg white.
amounts.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just on top. Yes.
So take the aluminum tube. And gentle, just
You just put it on top like
put on
that.
top like that.
Nice.
Guardo io non resisto ai tuoi occhi così blu. Tu non mi guardi, io non esisto e continuo
No, oh, right on top. We don't push hard.
Don't push up.
Gonna be gentle.
in alto lassù. Tu non mi guardi, io non resisto e continuo a cadere.
Cool. These are beautiful cannoli shells. We have about 12. Yeah, we got 12. Now, when you fry them, do you like to use peanut oil,
We use
sunflower
peanut
oil?
oil or sunflower oil, depend.
And you want the very hot.
Yes, very hot. We use the sunflower oil because peanuts is if someone
It's allergic.
allergic.
Good point.
good.
I use peanut oil in my house because I'm not allergic. And we
In the small quantity at home, I can prefer use
Sure.
peanut oil.
And what temperature do we want to get?
180 degree.
180.
So
Andrea, I heard Master George is in the kitchen and he's making the small cannoli. Why don't we go and see how he makes the shells and how he cooks them?
go.
Let's go and have a look.
E mi chiedo vale la pena di restare qui abbracciati mentre il giorno non c'è più e la luna da lassù fa da specchio ai nostri baci. Se ti guardo dentro agli occhi.
George is making those beautiful cannoli shells. So you want to be delicate when you press, right? You don't want to press too hard. If you press hard, what happens?
Well, very hard to bring out.
Okay.
You have to give it
So once it's fried, you want them to come out easily.
exactly.
Okay. How long ago did you open Brunetti?
Well, quanto tempo? Io mi ricordo,
50 years. 30 anni fa.
chissà ricordo.
He's been making pastries for such a long time. Doesn't even remember when you opened his
Adesso il problema,
pasticceria.
il problema che la
That's what happens when you do it for too long.
no, ma è il problema che la memoria va via, capito? Dopo magari da ritorno.
Okay.
Bisogna mettere quello per non farli venire su, capito?
Right, okay.
Così con la pressione che metti
So you put pressure on them so they don't come on
non vengono
top,
fuori.
yeah.
Però
So you
loro-
fry them evenly.
Loro devono avere molto poco ancora.
Wow. Beautiful. Nice. I'll get them out. Oh. Let's see how they come out. They come out easily.
I think you're moving up.
This is my favorite part of the recipe, making the ricotta cream for the filling. So let's do it. We got a beautiful ricotta here.
You have sugar
If you want to use more sugar, guys, please put more sugar, okay?
and we have a little bit of cinnamon.
Cinnamon is so important, isn't it?
Yes, for the flavor. Mix all together.
You just want to mix everything until the sugar kind of melts
Can be melt,
in there.
yes.
How important is the ricotta right now? Like the quality of the ricotta.
It's fresh ricotta. We need to use fresh ricotta.
Yeah,
And
no ricotta in a tub.
No, and the best ricotta you can find
Yeah.
in the supermarket.
So please work hard to find a good ricotta.
That's very hard.
Now, this is what's the step now that we're doing?
We try to make the ricotta more smoothie,
Yeah,
so we can
put it through there.
do that.
You can see in Sicily, everybody does this.
Yes.
You have to do it. When I make my cannoli cream, I normally use a stand mixer to mix all the cream, which it turns out good, but I guess this is probably the best
It's
way.
the best way.
traditional
Yes.
You don't get the hair to go in.
Yeah. All the way.
Nice. This is what your nonna does?
Yes.
Yeah, alright, so stick to that.
Stick to that. Yeah. Easy to do. Just
Yeah.
a couple minutes.
You know, that's the best part. All I want to do now is put my finger there and lick it. Look at that.
Smoothie.
Nice. So we're ready to fill the cannoli.
Ready to fill the cannoli. Yes.
Fantastic. Let's go and do it. Now, nonna in Sicily, they like to use the spoon,
yeah.
and put the ricotta in the...
Inside the cannoli.
Yeah, but
But
a Brunetti Classico, if you
we-
do that, it will take you like a
we
week.
start today. We
Fill
finish
up
tomorrow.
100 candles.
For fill up.
So this is what we use.
Use piping bag.
Piping bag. It's a nice, smooth ricotta. Can I help you to put more
Yes,
in there?
of course.
Let's do it. So do you recommend to put this in the fridge a little bit now? The ricotta
Yes.
is
a
ready
little-
to go.
No, a little bit.
So this ricotta has been in the fridge, nice and set. Now with the cannoli piping, it's so important because here we got the cannolo. Cannolo is here. You don't want to have any gap in the middle. With the gap in the middle, that's a bad cannolo. So here's where we start. We face it down, one side. We fill up this side like this, just like that. Then we turn. And can you see inside there? You need to go now all the way inside and make sure you fill the gap. And then you come out. And you come out. That's how you fill up a cannolo. Beautiful. Inside is heavy. There's no gaps. And every bite is ricotta and biscuits. Oh, now Andrea is a true Sicilian. He likes to have one side of the cannoli with dark chocolate and the other side with pistachio.
Yes.
Okay, so Andrea, how do we do this?
Yeah. Just took the cannolo with one side. We dip in the pistachio. And other side, we dip in the chocolate.
Nice.
And we put in the plate. Pistachio. And chocolate.
Nice.
Quando non sali ancora e il mio destin così
And look at these beautiful cannoli. Look at that. Look how beautiful they are. Nice, crunchy. Got a beautiful ricotta, the pistachio, the chocolate. But we need one more thing to do.
Yes,
What is it?
icing sugar.
Vai, let's go with icing sugar. Look at that. They look so pretty, honestly.
Yes.
I don't want to touch them.
No.
I just want to look at them all day long. Hello. Well, you get one. I get one too. How do we do in Sicily? Chin chin?
Chin chin.
Chin chin. Let's see how crunchy they are. Wow. See?
It's full.
No gap. No gap. The filled. There's no gap in there. So important. So crunchy, Andrea.
Yeah, it's good.
My
Good job.
God. No, good job to you. Well done. So crunchy. Wow. I think you have to pipe them on the spot to have such a great experience. Guys, what can we say? The video is finished here, but we keep eating because these cannoli are great.
very good.
I have to go and try the Giorgio cannoli too
Yeah.
and compare.
Of course.
If it makes it better than you. Let's see. But guys, thank you so much for watching this episode here from Brunetti Classico, Melbourne. Goodbye. Thank
Bye-bye.
you.
Thank you.
E ora si mangia. Cannolo. Cin cin.